Anyways, I dey like make we dey do am jejely and wildly. But wait, on a lighter note, make I even ask you drink water at all today? Because some people they like to drink water. I hope say when you dey come out from your house, you drink water. Ellen, you drink water today?
You know see my water bottle.
Correct woman.
I don't drink plenty.
And as a woman wey come from Ibani,
yes,
you go like to dey take water well.
Because now water be our food.
Exactly. Yes, so you got to dey drink water because water is important. Anyways, secondary people, make una not forget this na Ibani hour. And you know when we show like this, our belly dey sweet us.
One no ju man gba belai, and a belai. One no ju belai ka sugar.
Anyways, and you know someone we don't come like this, we don't always tell them and say, yeah, me napo.
Simo.
My name na Lady J, and of course to my sister
Ellen B.
We don't come here based on say plenty informative iboku on top of this program.
Yes, sir.
Contribute on top of this very segment where we don't enter right now with the caller Naso
Ibi.
Yes, Naso Ibi. Not be like that before.
Naso Ibi.
What are the place where you there now? Maybe you there for keke, you there inside your taxi, or maybe they drive your car, or maybe you just there for one place, or you carry your radio, take gum your ear for where you there now. So you call the one that say, wait till Lady J and Ellen B want talk on top of Naso Ibi. Chere?
Yes, sir.
Ibani hour.
It is sweet my body.
Stop! Oh, why you dirty everywhere now? True? Hey! My people, the way we dey manage our dirty for this our island, na big problem. See, make I tell you, you get different waste what we human beings then they produce, especially for this Bonny Island. Solid waste and liquid waste today, organic waste, and one way we suppose they use again and again when they call recyclable waste and hazardous and dangerous waste. What do we go do? Now to stop and now me and you go solve this matter. How we go take do am? It's simple now. Number 1, not throw away nylon anywhere up and down. Number 2, make you dey use your paper bag again and again. Clean your environment all the time. If you see any person where they throw away dirty anyhow for Bonny Island or for where you dey, stop am. Ask them question because to get a better and sweet environment, now everybody work. No wait till tomorrow. Make you start it today. Now Nigeria LNG send us make we tell you say make you clean your environment.
Ibani hour.
Okay, yes, so country people, now welcome back. Still we on top Ibani hour.
Yemi napo. Simo. Oni mimne. Era abomai. Ibani ana bele masi fie Nigeria LNG. Animi madibo priyen. So era adobem se. Omni kasi pak porofini because ni mim. Ibani malama hey yojumangba belai. Ogberenga so muma.
Is it that place belai. Anyways, country people, yes, we don't enter this segment where they call Naso
Ibi.
Yes, Naso it really be say nowadays now. If you dey inside taxi, driver stop me for Zoba junction. Driver no go hear say make you stop for Zoba. They'll go stop you for Choba.
Na so because
you go enter keke. The next way you go dey hear for keke na Malians. Wait till we dey Mali they go. We dey for Mali, abi we dey for inside Nigeria. You see this thing don't come make me come they ask many questions because I no can understand whether na the music. As a matter of fact, 3 days ago for my compound, now so the boys them they carry big loudspeaker. He pay me I know say I no get loudspeaker. But I know say one day God go bless me. I go buy speaker.
Amen.
Now so these boys they can't start to play music. They play music. On
na barafri. Yes,
na the handwork.
Keke me na so they behave.
Ellen, this boy start welling. 10:30. I no fit bear am now. Get up. Now I can't go meet and say, brother, excuse me. Follow me to my house. The brother say, you know where woman now wear short. Where woman just show young guy fear catch am.
Na teme jenga mubem. Their mind they go another place.
He said no. I no go follow you. I say okay. You see why they call you? And they call you because you're he dey my room. As I tell him now, I can say, oh, sorry.
Yeah,
you can't go. You can't reduce them.
Yeah, remember.
Country people, in fact, speak that thing. Speak and make
remember. They don't see him now.
Because of this one, I can't they think. You know, so I call you yesterday night now.
You been call me
because
yes.
of this thing.
You know,
now say okay today. When will they come for Ibani hour? I go carry and come. I beg go. I want ask so because I dey like ask Ellen.
No, person will ask question no miss road.
Talk am for Ibani.
Question bilabo onye bilabo aso iririya. Person will ask question, you know the miss road.
You dey hear am because they say ear where they hear what they inside the ear. Now therefore take the ear word. All right. Now see, I want to ask Biko Kwano. How do they talk say abeg for Ibani?
Pai Sisi.
I want to ask so Pai Sisi. Pai Sisi oh. Is dey okay for people to dey loud music inside compound, inside motor, and even wear earpiece to take block their ear? Now Pai Sisi are dey ask so Pai Sisi oh. Pai Sisi oh. Is it okay? We no go talk anything again. Ellen, how did they talk am for inside the band? This question when I ask you.
Lady J, Yaminapo. Lady J Gbilayen. Abem. Ani busy. Iware finebem. Iwari music. Swabem. Kompama DMI. Bim. Ngamangba JJ. Ani B. Imoto be finebem. Iwari music ma swabem. Ani ware loud do say. To imenya na finebo moto be yourself. Inanye iduanye nabia be anibi ya sogbo wine guy iwari mpa brigbegbe ma yom na ninimim ni earpiece omne ganima ibani ebo mpa nsianye animia omne ganima earpiece be anibisi opa bribe swase asogbo wine guy ana gbilayen.
Okay, Pai Sisi oh. Now so we call Pai Sisi enter inside area oh. 9 people come they tell us their own part on top of this one.
Ogberenga so muma.
Okay, so you know concern anybody how to dey play my music. Na my car, na my house, na my earpiece, na my phone. So like this, anyhow I want to play my music, na my business. Whether it's safe or safe, na my life. Na me know as I dey enjoy my music. Show you the famous.
It no make sense so me person dey loud music for inside car or for inside house. Although it depends, depend on where you dey stay. If you dey stay for face me, I slap you. Na problem be that too because your neighbor go swear for you. Better beef now you go get for you, so because we disturb them. But if you dey like better estate, estate where we say you get like soundproof walls and the likes, that one fit make sense because if you dey play loud music, nobody dey even know say you dey play music. So it depends on where you dey stay. For the one for car, well, if you wind up your glass, if you know too loud like that, but if you wind them down, now there problem go dey because you dey disturb everybody and everybody go dey look you. But that earpiece soon, no good though. They put earpiece for ear, they work out for road because with the way Nigerian drivers dey now, person if you go lose control, they go dey shout your name, come up for there. You no go know, they don't jam you finish. So
it's not safe. So they listen to loud music, especially when you're there for road. Music for inside car, you're not supposed to be too loud. Then to they use earpiece for road, they're very, very bad. For inside house, if they play music loud, but make you know they too loud, make you not go disturb your neighbor.
I believe say listening to music aloud no too good because health-wise, if you make person lose in hearing, either temporarily or permanently. Security-wise too, to follow because at times person if they call out to you, or maybe some kind of security. A lot of for supposed to hear because I say they hear music aloud if you know hear them when you're supposed to hear them. So you know good to hear music aloud.
Like this thing where they talk now for someone to the loud music if they play music, it is very wrong. Even for car and for motor and even for house, it is very wrong because you know go there where your neighbors dey or other people there around. You go to carry music, they disturb other people for where they enjoy themselves or they have relax or just they relax their mind. So we no support that area. It no good make person dey loud music where people dey or for neighbor or for car anywhere. Even for people where they sell music, like all those DJs where they get for their office or for their shop where they go do the loud music. They suppose.
Ibani Hour.
Okay, yes, my people, now welcome back. We see the inside the studio. And yes, you hear the thing where country people talk about that music where they lad one kind. Many of us not know say, the more you dey lad music, it dey reduce your hearing ability. That's why you put speak am. The more you lad music, it dey reduce the way you take the hear. Because small. Nine, take the start When you lad music from Genesis go reach Revelation. How you take want Jeremiah and all the rest of them take know wetin Revelation do so that they go feel report am to Abraham when we reach heaven.
You see this question where you ask, God bless you, because even as I dey talk with you now, this thing happen to me today. Yes, as I dey come, na him the driver inside the motor beam and I dey for back. Na back the speaker actually dey. The thing come dey make beam. And I don dey tell am say I go stop for Wazobia FM. The man, whether he hear me or he no hear me, but I'm sure say because of the loudness of the music, you no hear me. Na so he carry me pass. You know say carry me go reach wetin they call that place. I even get to come enter motor again.
They come back.
I can't get to come down, enter another motor, come walk.
Very
as
very
I dey tell you, it happen to me. So you know they nice at all. You know they good. Nice. People go there inside motor or driver go there for motor. You go call loud music. When passengers they talk to you, you go hear. You no go hear.
It just be like somebody where they inside motor, they sleep for motor. They'll carry you past your position.
Yes,
that's how it be.
That's how it be.
They'll carry you past your position. So, countryman, the bottom line what would they talk about here? We say yes, music is good for your soul.
Yes,
music is relaxing. But you know what's in loud music, it not they relaxing for your soul.
It be you know good.
It be so
you know good at all.
You know good at all.
Yes.
Anyways, country people, not come out because when we go inside this music where we want to go, so when we show body back here, we're gonna talk with one ogbonge man. We know every concerning road matter.
Stop! Why you dey dirty everywhere now? True? Hey! My people, the way we dey manage our dirty for this our island, na big problem. See, make I tell you, it get different waste where we human beings then they produce, especially for this Bonny Island. Solid waste and liquid waste today, organic waste, and one way we suppose they use again and again, when they call recyclable waste and hazardous and dangerous waste. What do we go do? Now to stop and now me and you go solve this matter. How we go take do am? It's simple now. Number one, not throw away nylon anywhere up and down. Number two, make you dey use your paper bag again and again. Clean your environment all the time. If you see any person where they throw away dirty anyhow for Bonny Island or for where you dey, stop am. Ask them question because to get a better and sweet environment, now everybody work. No wait till tomorrow. Make you start it today. Now Nigeria LNG send us make we tell you say make you clean your environment.
Radio never sweet me like this before.
Ibani Hour.
It is sweet my body.
Kajat people, hope so now they okay and yes you enjoy the program Ibani Hour. Yevinapo or Simo countryman, we don't enter another part of the show where we say we talk some kind of ogbonge things to where they disturb countryman. They disturb people like me and you inside our own country, Nigeria. Sure, you know, say we don't enter inside the month of Umba right now. So when we don't enter Umba like this, everybody go just they fear one kind. Not be say that they fear the month, so but they fear the things where they where they around that very month. Because even our parents then when they grow up, they'll tell you say come as we they enter inside the month of Umba, make you no find trouble, somebody slap you, make you no look, or somebody touch you, make you no do, just they go your own jejely and wildly. Now according to research, it shows say where they come from FRSCO, they talk say Nigeria been record about 3,947 road crashes. That one an accident where happened for road for the first quarter for inside 2020, and this one so involve about 6,448 motor. And out of these people, so the number where we say they can't die on top of this matter now 1,758 people die. Why 11,250 people they injure unto say they wound on top of this accident? This one can make us they think we can say okay, we go root the man where we say him himself to know waiting to tell us and know bonge things concerning FRSC inside our country Nigeria. Now there we can go land, can go carry the sector commander for inside FRSC for River State Command. His name is Omar Galadunsi. Maogao, I go first of all ask you this very question. How people feel you keep themselves safe for this Umba month where we dey now so?
No say make I begin with this one. Amber month where people they talk. Some people they attach some what I call it spiritual matter
exactly
on top of the matter. Say Amber month don't come.
It don't come.
He get some winds. He get some spirit where they road. Where they keep it. Now lie, nothing there like that. So the waiting be Amber month. Amber month and be the last 4 months of the year. When you start come from 1st September, October, November, December, you don't enter Amber month. Now the period for this our Nigeria here, for this part of our country, now the period where people they see increase of increment of movement of goods of people from one place to another. You know why? Because you know say you go remember say on January after January jolly people don't celebrate finish they will begin the so wetin they call New Year resolution. Some people go talk say na marriage dey their mind. You understand? Some people go talk say na to buy fine car na dey their mind. Some people go talk say they want big house. Everybody get what they want.
One or two.
So people they get target say okay before September, October, I fit get that thing where I won't get. So you go see that time now, time don't come reach, you know get that resolution what you do. And another thing is farming season.
Okay.
And this is a harvesting season where, especially if you go north, you see people they bring out things from the farm where they farm, they transport them to cities and market and all those things. So at the end of the year, that's where you talk. People want to do birthdays, people want to do wedding at the end of the year.
Yeah.
People want to do age group, so many things. Because you get some people where they know will come, the day abroad they know will come at the end of the year.
Yes.
At that time they go do
everything.
Every finish. So now that one go bring more vehicles on the road. More people want travel from one place to another. Majority of people where they from Rivers say now they different part of the country and outside the country. Now when would they enter October now they won't begin to come back home. So that make the people not say they don't arrive.
They don't arrive.
And that kind of thing now you
yes.
I see people Potako here now you go see you go see they don't arrive, you understand. So now that time everything where they want to do before they go back now they won't do and so now that one they bring too many vehicles on the road.
Okay.
And when there are too many vehicles on the road, so many wahala go there because some people they drive like crazy. You understand? You see where they see Potako here, they don't even know where to be roundabout. Who's supposed to stop for who? Because this is some people when they enter roundabout and then go stop. For God's sake, we know the Francophone country now. This is Nigeria where we they follow English law. When you there, when you do roundabout, person where no there and I go wait for you. Most of the time me I go they wait, they go they look me like mumu. So wait will be this one now. No one go. I they tell them say make them go, they go they look me. So I want make people know say that kind of thing where they increase now go bring wahala.
Okay.
So if too many vehicles on the road at the same time and many people they carry all this overload and all those things, you go see the small time go they see wahala. That's why like United Nations for United Nations and Nigeria now every second week of November now they celebrate day for road traffic crash accident victims. And now the plan what would they do be that now.
Okay.
And now we go visit church. We go visit mosque.
Okay.
We go visit hospitals. We go they talk on radio so that we could they take they remember those who die because of road traffic
crisis.
Man and human beings, they are our loved ones. It could be your brother, it could be your sister, it could be my sister. It can happen to anybody. So may they not just die like that in vain without remembrance. So we Rosette will come, the United Nations can separate day. So me could take the remind
they
people.
Remember them.
Yeah, me could remember them and me could remind people say because why when you remember them and you remind people about the consequences, now you go make people they stay alive. They
yes.
say, okay, this thing they keep people. No say this one where you can't mention this figure like that. 1,000 people
we die.
Like that die. People no go 1,000 plus. So I want make people they know not 1,000 people for this Nigeria. 1,000 people plus go die for HIV in a year. No. That number no risk like that. Tuberculosis no they keep people like that. Now accident they keep more than 1,000 people. And more than 1,000 people will die now. You go see the like 70% now among the youth.
Yes.
People of people of 18 years to 45 years. Now those one where they travel on the road. Elderly people now when you become necessary a person wey 70 na go enter road. So you go see say Nigeria they lose a productive age. Do you understand? 18 to 45 years. Most of those people wey die 1,000 na among the people wey die be that man. You go see say doctors go there, engineers go there. People wey dey strong, wey the country need to stay alive. Now then go mess up for road and they go die. Do you understand? Why? Because as a result of reckless driving, overloading, overspeeding. Where road no people they say bad road they keep people. We road safety we go say no bad road no they keep people. Now driver na they keep people person. Do you understand? Driver na because if you dey drive motor you can't reach place where they bad the road they wo. What you supposed to do now they slow down, take JJ enter the portal come out. But when people come they carry motor with speed they enter play way bad. Boah. When they enter tire go burst or spring go break something will happen now. The motor go enter but people go die, people will get injured. So that's why we they talk like this. We don't begin the talk because by next month I go do a grand flag off of a Amber Month campaign for this Port Harcourt. We supposed to they do them for this end of the month. You know, say the mood no day for people now. Do you understand? The current situation now don't make morale don't low. So that's why we say we could shift on to second week of November. That time everybody mind don't come by hand, don't they okay. We will say we are part of the community. Now we are part of the society. So we feel them.
Not true.
And as I come yesterday, waiting to buy food there, and as I know what I so with the film, we are also citizens before the uniform what person they wear.
Exactly.
And so as we begin to talk about this, and so that we could remind people what thing they supposed to do, how they supposed to they drive on the road. You supposed to they drive on the road, JJ, so that you go reach where you go. You must remember, say as you step out of your house, you won't go market. Somebody there, they wait for you, may you go come back safely. Either your wife or your children or your parent. Nobody want here say as you travel, you go out, you leave your house without sickness, without anything. Then the next thing they will call the wife.
Say the person don't fall.
Say, are you the social person? Is it your husband? The person don't die. How you go feel?
You go feel bad.
How you go feel bad.
So, all right, my God, sorry. You know why they talk? You make mention of you know the road for inside, as in the motors where they enter for road, they plenty and some other things. Where if it lead to the the challenge where we say people they pass through for inside this very month. Now I want to ask you this question. You know, some families they get like 3 cars, some families they get like 4 cars. What if they try talk now? They say if we reduce the amount of road, the amount of people where they use the road, it go feel reduce the amount of accidents where it happen during the Umba period.
Yes, something like that. He said that you reduce, is it overload? When they talk overload here, not because you have a vehicle. Do you understand that it's supposed to carry like 6 people? You now want, because you won't go Christmas or you won't go a village, you now carry like, number one, make I even tell you something. With the advise people when they want travel, may they not pack everybody. When I say everybody, the father, the mother, the children, the grandchildren, the fowl, and you know, see how people they.
Yeah, some people go just carry all their family inside one place.
There was a time I served in the east here in Ebonyi State. When people they come home, I can't be surprised. Inside their motor, you go see their children, the husband, the wife, the children. You understand? Even they have grandchildren inside the same motor. They will carry fridge, they will carry their nama, everything. They won't come. I say, what kind of a thing? So we in the road safety, we they advise people. Please, when you want travel, no pack everybody. They go. Make it try to leave some people behind. Because we have had so many situations where everybody in the family don't travel, and everybody inside that car get accident, and everybody die. Leaving nobody to answer your surname. And that kind of thing is no good. So we they always advise people, don't pack everybody. Say you want travel. Even if the motor can contain all the people, it is not good. Because so that if something is going to happen, make some people remain now.
They go see you to call later.
Because if na property where it's say you won't gather now, if everybody die, who go inherit the property? In the end, one momo way know how you suffer get the thing, now go come. So that kind of thing I will do. So secondly, motorway is supposed to carry 4 people. You now carry 10 people inside. It's not good because it takes on the life of the people that are occupying inside the thing. it takes on the motor. If the motor is designed to last 10 years, if you dey carry that kind of load, the motor no go pass 4 years.
Na so.
Go just old. Like that. So all those kind of things we dey advise people when they want travel, make them plan their journey.
Okay.
Do you understand? Make them plan their journey.
Okay.
And when you want to travel, plan your journey. Don't say at the time, service your motor on time. So that you go drive the motor around after the servicing, so that you go know say everything dey okay. No be say you want travel tomorrow, today you dey mechanic. You dey rush mechanic, I want travel. The mechanic go hurry up, put something. Maybe you not tie the tire very well, you enter road, tire come out, you get accident.
Now true you dey talk.
So
now another thing too where we say I want to ask you, because this thing don cause a major problem, you know, not only for Umba period, for every day it cause problem, most especially for inside this Port Harcourt where we say we dey. So what be the speed limit, or what is supposed to be the speed limit of a driver, whether na private owner or na public driver? What is supposed to be the speed limit for people to use take the entire road? Why they carry people inside their motor?
You see, time no go allow us talk about this particular car here, but what I go tell you, everything what you want to they inside that Nigeria revised Nigeria Highway Code.
Okay.
That's what we talk a Bible for road safety. So you go see category of vehicle, whether na car you dey drive, whether na bus you dey drive, whether na motorcycle, whether na big motor, which one, whichever one. The one people usually call a Jeep, you understand? Now SUV, the real meaning na SUV.
Okay.
But everybody now, they say if you don't say Jeep, now you go buy Highlander, they call them Jeep now. So when you say Jeep, now people will not say yes, you don't arrive with it.
Exactly.
So the issue is each category of vehicle get one speed limit, and it depends on the particular road where person they fly.
Okay.
Because if you they drive on highway, when we say highway, that means a single road where both of you they come back. You understand? But if na you get speed limit for car, you get speed limit for truck. You understand? You get each one. Because for example, if you dey drive your own car now, like say you get this Mercedes, I know you get Mercedes now. You get Mercedes now, ML you get what you understand. So if you dey drive like say Mercedes, if I say Mercedes, everybody understand Mercedes, whether na ML, whether na
anyone, as far as you call a Mercedes.
So if you dey drive on a, for example, on a highway, single road, you understand, you're not supposed to move more than 100 km/h. You understand? That one na for vehicle. If na truck where they carry load, you understand? Even somewhere you go, they see them the right speed limit now. I don't know whether you never notice truck, trailer.
Yes, I see them. If you pass to someone, so make you call the number.
If you pass to someone, all those kind of a thing. So for highway, but for now expressway, that means when they say express, you get your own lane separate. The other place where they come, you get your own lane. Say nothing join you know. Now one I go be if you the drive car, now you go move at 120.
Okay.
For example.
Now, sorry, I will let you.
Even this one now depends on the good nature of the road.
Okay.
Not be say because the law say you they drive a express, you can move out to 120. Now you go the road where it bad. Now you say you must speed. No, now him will bring me to common sense driving. You understand, Lady Z? With the talk of with the preach common sense driving. No matter how good the road is, no matter how bad the road is, no matter what the law says that you are type of car you can move at on a common sense speed limit.
Yeah, on a common sense speed limit.
The one that will take you safely and bring you come back safely. Because not everybody is a bit drive now. It gets some people, even if you give them very good car on a very good road, you say may they move at 80 km/h, they no go fit.
No, so.
Because their hand not straight. It gets some people that are professional, they can move at 150. So that's why we talk of common sense speed limit for everybody.
Not forget to this program na Ibani Hour and a Nigeria LNG now they bring at the comfort now. Okay, before we go just go relax, shake our body small. You get this question through when we say, I would just like you make you tell us, what will be your advice to people where they use motor? Because since we they talk about drivers, we they talk about people we get. What about people where we say they use the motor? What do you need to tell them? Because people where they use motor too, they also need to stay safe. Make I give you an example. There was a time I enter inside taxi and the driver they drive the way I no like. I get to tell the driver, say, Oga driver, this way where you they drive this motor, I know today okay about them. In time he say, if I know they okay, make I sit down for back. Really actually go sit down for back. Somebody else, another man, huge man, you know, in Congo sit down for the front. I not just know what happen, but be like say the tire of the motor, something puncture the tire of the motor, and you know if something shook motor tire, it go definitely wave. So as the driver just dey wan control the steering, the man wey sit down for front with am follow am jack the steering.
Just the steering.
Na God na him save us for there. That man na person wey sit down for motor wey be say not being dey drive the motor. So wetin be your your advice to people wey be say they sit down inside motor, wey be say drivers themselves too dey carry, and wey be say they go fit use take manage themselves?
You know, say that one you are even lucky. The driver not even tell you, say no be your motor, come down. Do you understand? You no go even give you money. You go say, madam, no be your motor, no be you buy me the motor, come down if you no won't go. Some people they behave that way. They no know say you wey dey drive commercial vehicle. You no go fit drive that commercial if you no see passengers wey enter. Who is a passenger? Passenger, it doesn't matter whether the person is going to pay you money or not, because now if you go around at the moment you catch somebody will say, okay, no be passenger they carry with the motor. And passenger and at the same place, even if na president or governor they inside the motor, so far not being they drive the motor, not be passenger. But in the case of this one, for us to understand, because people don't already understand that when they say passenger, the commercial vehicle. Now, if you are using your vehicle for commercial purpose, if passenger no enter pay you money, where you go wrong go. So that passenger also has a right. You understand? Where your right begin is another place where another person right. Where your right stop is another place where somebody's right start. You understand? If I enter your motor, I won't pay you money. The contract where I pay you now contract from this NT road. If I say may you take me to, for example, may you take me to Ada George. You understand? Now contract. I want make people understand say I won't pay you money 15 naira so that you go take me to that judge. I not say may you pay me may you take me to that judge, then
for
I will land, then, no, make I land in hospital because the contract is so that you must take me there safely so that you enjoy the money, so that I will enjoy myself. But if you not take me safely, that means say you know do the contract very well. So most drivers no understand that one. They don't even regard the passenger as anything. What passenger won't correct them, the next thing they go say, no be you buy me the motor. Or no be papa buy me the motor. If you no one go drop. That kind of no good. When passenger they tell you say, driver, this thing what you do is no good. They say, okay, sorry, I go correct them. But instead now he push you for back. Some people know come out they fear to the seat at the back, because if something happen, you wait there back, the thing go fling you come front. So now some people where they sit down in front with driver for front. From here where we dey now, once you start journey with them, before you reach that junction, they don't begin to sleep. And they sit in front with the driver. And the next maybe driver they carry overload 2 persons in front. In there busy, he's supposed to concentrate so that everything will be okay. But person they sleep near him, because they do like this, you understand? They come out the driver hand.
Yeah.
The head they hit the driver. Which one you go do? Now to the control person where they sleep or not to control the vehicle. So passengers have a right. Do you understand? They have a duty. They owe it as a duty when they enter motor. If they see the motor tire no good, may they talk. In fact, if you are going on a long journey, there is something what would they do every day? Would they call and do you understand? Early morning cry, pretrieve, you understand? Check. Would they send our personnel to motor garage where they do long journey so that they will check the condition of the vehicle, they will check the tires. And they advise you, if you want travel long journey, if the tire of that motor no good, please no enter. And if the people won't carry overload, no enter. It better make them increase the money so that everybody will sit down comfortably inside your own seat. Rather than say pay 50 naira, then they will carry 4 of you, they go. When something happen, because you are sitting down inside, if they carry the too many people inside the motor, it's like you are sitting down inside a cabin. Like you ever see where they see, let me give you some sardine. This fish where they come in cans, sardine. If you open and tear the lid, now what till they see, you go see one fish on top of the other. Some people they carry people, human being like that. I want make people, so do you understand? If you go kill somebody recklessly, if you go kill somebody carelessly, that's why we know they call them road accident. People they call say road accident. We no longer call it accident, because accident is something there is no road traffic crash that will happen without giving warning. You must give warning. It's either you take the warning or you know. That's why we call it road traffic crash. An accident is something that happens without you knowing, without any warning. Something can happen inside your house. Domestic accident can happen without a warning. But there is no road traffic crash that will happen without giving the driver warning.
A warning.
So you understand? So passengers must also know their right. They must learn to talk to driver to correct his bad habits of driving. If they are not comfortable, if the driver refuses to correct, they can ask for them to stop and calm down.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you talk something. You say no accident.
Yes.
Accident now waiting they happen where you don't know.
Accident they happen when they give warning.
When they give warning, but road crash.
They always
give warning, and most of the things where they see so now road crash. Now they see not the accident. So that one come make and be say you they try tell us now say you not get any spiritual thing with they for inside Mbamont.
Nothing spiritual, nothing.
Okay.
Even the people, let me tell you. Even if you ever see people where they carry charm, they put under the steering. They tie
yes.
Because one babalawo, one dibia go give them. Say, make them go put under the steering. Make them just go, nothing go happen. Now lie, everything get its time.
Okay.
When the thing won't expire, the day the driver go die, if you come there, you no go recognize them. That's waiting they happen.
All right, country people, you don't hear and finish from the matter of our own Oga. Yes, him now the sector commander for inside FRSC River State Command. He's saying go teach me how to call this name well for inside.
No, you don't learn already. Salisu.
Salisu.
Yeah, you have called it very well.
Yes, his name now Salisu Umar Galadunsi. Me and Dana for inside the studio where we take the talk things is you need to know for this Umba period. Maoga, thank you for your time what you spend with us. We hope say we will see you again another time.
Anytime.
All right, thank you very much.
Ibani Hour.
It is sweet, my body.
Okay, Simo. We see there here on top of Ibani Hour when we say Nigeria LNG. They carry the come for now. So, and yes, countryman, don't forget that this is 94.1 Wazobia FM. And of course, my name na Lady J.
And my name na Elimbi.
Yeminapo. Ibi Mimo.
You dey live for Bonny. I been at your papa and mama dey there. You get family or party where they stay for Bonny. This matter concern you. You don't hear about Bonny Community Health Insurance Program B-Chip before? B-Chip na health initiative where Nigeria LNG they arrange with River State government and Bonny Kingdom for everybody where they stay Bonny. Indigenous or non-indigenous or men or women or children, youth and elders. B-Chip will give everybody access to correct health care for shaking money. With this Bonny Community Health Insurance Program, you get access to plenty type of medical service for 1 year after you register. Antenatal, delivery and postnatal care, outpatient and inpatient care, eye care, dental care for your teeth, small surgery, pharmaceutical service, management of serious diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, arthritis, etc. Go register yourself with 10,000 naira or your family with 54,000 naira. You could enjoy 1 full year of medical service with no additional cost. We are make you sharply waka go Bonny Zonal Hospital, Bonny Model Primary Health Center or Finima Health Center. Make you register for B-Chip. You fit even call us now for 0807-771-7198. No allow sickness finish money for your pocket every time you go hospital. Go register today with Bonny Community Health Insurance Program B-Chip. B-Chip. Quality health care where you fit afford. Stop! Oh, why you dey dirty everywhere now? True? Hey! My people, the way we dey manage our dirty for this our island, na big problem. See, make I tell you, e get different waste wey we human beings then they produce, especially for this Bonny Island. Solid waste and liquid waste dey, organic waste, and one way we suppose they use again and again, wey dem dey call recyclable waste and hazardous and dangerous waste. What do we go do? Now to stop and na me and you go solve this matter. How we go take do am? It's simple now. Number 1, no throw away nylon anywhere up and down. Number 2, make you dey use your paper bag again and again. Clean your environment all the time. If you see any person where they throw away dirty anyhow for Bonny Island or for where you dey, stop am. Ask them question, because to get a better and sweet environment, now everybody work. No wait till tomorrow. Make you start today. Now Nigeria LNG send us make we tell you say make you clean your environment.
Ibani Hour.
It is sweet, my body.
Okay, so you know, say when time don't reach is very time what we dey now. So what we dey call Know Your Lingo, na time where we take the learn every way concern Ibani language. See, for those of you who don't know, Ibani na language inside River State here.
Yes.
And you will find Ibani people inside the Bonny
Island.
And
yes.
you know one thing about the Ibani people, that they're very caring, that they're beautiful, they love good food, they like good life.
Yes.
And the Ibani people, they like enjoyment and entertainment.
Yeah, man, but also, ma'am, you don't talk everything.
Right now, today on top of the show, Ellen B go they tell us how you go feel you take greet person we don't hold for inside Ibani language.
Yaminapo, waboma means we don't come. And me bene wapaboye, one no dedum. senapu or seno or olomorubo or olomowuto wam no dedum mpa nsesebara.
Abeg, Ellen, I want enter Bonnie. If I want to greet them as a young woman when I be, I want greet them sake of say there be elderly people. As are you go, you take greet them.
Now, for Ibani, you know, say we get different ways of calling elderly people.
Okay.
Like if you call Dede for old man, if you call Papa for old man, and at the same time, if you call Sisi for old woman, if you still call Dada for old woman. So it depends the one where you want use.
So women wey don dey, let's say from the age of 50 they go up. Now which name they call those ones? Sisi. All right, women wey be say that they from their age let's say 75 years to like 80 to 100 years. Which name would they call them?
Dada.
Okay, so if I see woman now we don't reach 50 years, I go call her Sisi.
Sisi Aisimo. Or Sisi Ibamao.
Sisi Ibamao.
Yes.
Okay, now if I can't see man waiting for 50 years, I go call that kind of man. How go you take greet that kind of man?
You know, say that age, they don't already collect title.
Okay.
So you don't know if na the one we don't collect title. That means you go get to ask question. You go ask your prospect now.
Okay.
This your uncle, so in don't collect title. You understand? Like I'm Opus Senibo or Wari Opus Senibo or Senibo. You understand? But if you never collect title, if you say okay, me just say in don't collect title. Mo use that one. You go if you say Wari Opus Senibo or Wari Senibo Iba Mao.
Okay. If you want to greet, let's say a young woman now see one old person where they come from market, the old person they come from market, he carry something. How you go use to talk say, Mama welcome oh.
No, you go say Sisi Igboma o.
Sisi Igboma o.
Sisi Igboma o.
Okay, what about if you want to greet like a father where they come back from work? How you go use to tell and say welcome o?
Like my father.
Yes.
When if you see your father they come, you go run now. Of course, if you carry something, you go collect the thing. Tell them say Ida Igboma o.
Ida Igboma o. If na mama, I go say Sisi Igboma o.
If na your mother, you go say Ingi Igboma o.
So that means the one where you go call mama is different from the one where you go call
papa.
Okay.
And it's different from the one where you go call another person where collect title or a grown-up person where you know just know but you won't greet the person. Yes.
So mama na Ingi.
Yes, Ingi
Igboma o.
Ingi Igboma o.
Igboma o.
Yes.
Now I be the Waru Opus Senibo for inside Ibani hour. How you go use take greet me based on say I be the Wari Opus Senibo of Know Your Lingo inside Ibani hour. Or you greet me like that.
Wari Opus Senibo. Aisimo.
Wari Opus Senibo.
Aisimo. Yes.
All right, country people, you don't hear I finish.
I believe say they learn one or two.
Now make I even ask you, for you when we say they hear us right now, how well you really sabi to speak your language? How well you really sabi to talk with your mama tongue? Very, very important. The essence of Know Your Lingo. Now for you to know say Ibani, where would it speak right now? So now sweet language. Not forgetting that Nigeria LNG. Now they bring on this program. What would they call?
Ibani Hour.
With a show body back. Oh.
Stop! Oh, why you dirty everywhere now? True. Hey. My people, the way we dey manage our dirty for this our island, na big problem. See, make I tell you, it get different waste where we human beings then they produce, especially for this Bonny Island. Solid waste and liquid waste today, where they pollute we land. Organic waste they cause water pollution, and one way we suppose they use again and again, when they call recyclable waste, then they cause air pollution and hazardous and dangerous waste. Then they always full everywhere with dirty. What do we go do? Now to stop and now me and you go solve this matter. How we go take do am? It's simple now. Number 1, not throw away nylon anywhere up and down. Number 2, make you dey use your paper bag again and again. Clean your environment all the time. If you see any person where they throw away dirty anyhow for Bonny Island or for where you dey, stop am. Ask them question, because to get a better and sweet environment, now everybody work. No wait till tomorrow. Make you start it today. Now Nigeria LNG send us make we tell you say make you clean your environment.
Ibani Hour.
It is sweet my body.
All right, still on top of the Kaja station, 94.1 Wazobia FM. And yes, we're still on top of Ibani Hour. Remember, I tell you, say, some people go chop some Ogbonge prize from me, right? On top of the question where we say, I asked Una for our last episode. Yes, I asked you, say, waiting be the motto of Nigeria LNG. Yes, I asked you, say, waiting be the motto of Nigeria LNG. And yes, so many people say, don't talk. Some people try. But you know what? I would like to first of all educate you on top of this matter first. Nigeria LNG, their vision now, global LNG company helping to build a better Nigeria. But when they can't write their name, Nigeria LNG, waiting follow them now, helping to build a better Nigeria. So if you say, hey, Lady J, so what will be the answer now for the question what you ask? I will tell you, say the answer now, helping to build a better Nigeria. Now be the motto where we say they can't find put on top of Nigeria LNG. All right. So I get some people where we know now the first person we carry and go drop it on top of WhatsApp. In name now Egwonu Ogochuku from Bonny in carry on answer go put on for inside WhatsApp. Another winner too, the Innocent Okparacha. Yes, himself too. He's still sending on too from WhatsApp, and the own location now for Oyibo. Yes, so another person to still go drop it on too. That one name now Mohammed Sani Jakada. Mohammed Sani Jakada. Him there for Choba for inside Rumosi Junction area for Port Harcourt. Now him be the third person we chop my gift for this week. All right, so if I be you, I'm not gonna miss any other segment about Ibani Hour, so that you go follow up the day I go drop my question, so that you go sharply tell me your answer, and then you go collect your Ogbonge gift on top of the way you take try. Now still Ibani Hour that we do.
Stop! Oh, why you dirty everywhere now? True? Hey. My people, the way we dey manage our dirty for this our island, na big problem. See, make I tell you, it get different waste what we human beings then they produce, especially for this Bonny Island. Solid waste and liquid waste today, organic waste, and one way we suppose they use again and again, when they call it recyclable waste and hazardous and dangerous waste. What do we go do? Now to stop and now me and you go solve this matter. How we go take do am? It's simple now. Number one, not throw away nylon anywhere up and down. Number two, make you dey use your paper bag again and again. Clean your environment all the time. If you see any person where they throw away dirty anyhow for Bonny Island or for where you dey, stop am. Ask them question, because to get a better and sweet environment, now everybody work. Now wait till tomorrow. Make you start it today. Now Nigeria LNG send us make we tell you say make you clean your environment. Stop! Oh, why you dirty everywhere now? True? Hey. My people, the way we dey manage our dirty for this our island, na big problem. See, make I tell you, it get different waste what we human beings then they produce, especially for this Bonny Island. Solid waste and liquid waste today, organic waste, and one way we suppose they use again and again, when they call it recyclable waste and hazardous and dangerous waste. What do we go do? Now to stop and now me and you go solve this matter. How we go take do am? It's simple now. Number one, not throw away nylon anywhere up and down. Number two, make you dey use your paper bag again and again. Clean your environment all the time. If you see any person where they throw away dirty anyhow for Bonny Island or for where you dey, stop am. Ask them question, because to get a better and sweet environment, now everybody work. Now wait till tomorrow. Make you start it today. Now Nigeria LNG send us make we tell you say make you clean your environment.
Yemi Napo, Ibi Mimo.
Na Nigeria LNG sponsor am.
We don't come to one side on bye yo. But before we go come out, not forget say you fit follow us for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. For Facebook, we dey
at Ibani Hour,
and for Instagram
at Ibani Hour.
Also for Twitter
at Ibani Hour.
Countryman. For anything where you go like us, make we touch light wella on top Ibani Hour. Make you not forget to go send us your message for WhatsApp on top of our number when I want to give you so will be 081 391 86838 081 391 86838. Our people now again we go use take telling us say we want to go, but we not go come out from inside here. without us not to talk big thank you to give our ogbonge sponsor wey be Nigeria LNG wey dey bring Ibani Hour dey come for you, and also to our ogbonge producers them too wey be
Mr. Sheyi and Bricks.
Thank you so very much. And countryman, my own name for here na Lady J, and of course too
my name na Ellen B.
And here we go use take tell you now.
Yeminapo. Oh baba oh.